Baja 1000 testing today in our new M81 Designs chassis that we just finished up for the Baja 1000. So pretty excited about it. Do a little shock testing, a little shakedown, and
yeah, sorry, just finishing up my pizza.
Yeah, no, you're good.
The old $20 pizza from the $5 pizza place around the corner here. So yeah, it's been since the last Baja 1000 since I drove a race razor. So excited. Boy's been working on the new chassis for the last couple months here. So we got the old desert car here as well as the new one, doing some shakedowns before Baja here in a couple weeks.
No, it was pretty fun to drive. Felt weird driving one with a bunch of suspension on it. Like after my short course car, it was like, oh, this is weird.
So explain to them. It's the same chassis as your
Yeah,
short course car and the Slayer.
Same chassis design as my short course car and RJ's Sand Slayer, but obviously this one's outfitted for desert, 2 seats, way more suspension, a lot beefier parts, and the feeling is totally different compared to the short course car.
It's like nice how the big stuff it's predictable, but it's definitely way too harsh. Like it'll wear you out bad. High speed and the little chop stuff is
Like high speed this big?
yeah.
Yeah, and then like when you get into like square edge, dude, it doesn't move. Low speed, like when you jump up something, perfect. Or like a big roll whoop, perfect.
I don't know, I'd say we shoot for 1,000
But there's only
RPM
one thing
change,
plugging into GPS.
just to
So
see
that's
what,
power.
you know.
Yep.
How's it feel to be 40 years old?
Thanks, man. 38.
Oh.
Son of a bitch.
Oh, pizza party for the 40th.
Yeah.
Honestly, it's going good. It feels really nice. It's fun to drive. I knocked my foot off the gas pedal once or twice over here.
Yeah?
Yeah. But other than that, yeah, hammering on that thing.
How's that slinger motor fucking feeling?
Honestly, that slinger motor feels pretty good. We just did some pulls and some uphill stand sections, and it feels pretty good so far. So.
Arch, how you doing over there, bud?
I'm doing good. It's weird, like I feel like you sit so far forward in this for some reason.
You do. I think the other one.
I mean, you can't go any further back. Touching the motor, buddy.
Yeah.
it feel if the crossover's up another inch?
I mean, it's collectively, it was definitely better.
Just because it's way, like, the ride quality
Yeah.
Yeah.
went way up.
It's weird, like, he, got on a road and just turned it, and it's, perfectly flat.
Yeah.
I was,
I was like, I don't know. I was like, I didn't feel like I could roll it over really. And we were talking, and I was like, oh, it's getting pretty good fuel mileage. And then my road came up, and I was like, oh. It just
Just did it.
yeah.
Overall, a very successful day.
Shocks got consistently better.
Big update. Big upgrade.
Huge upgrade. We can hear inside the car, and it stayed together. So all is just a win-win-win. You know.
Nice. So what's next for the new car?
Just take her back. The boys are gonna look her over, and I think we're gonna come out here for a little rigid night test. So make sure the lights are all dialed in for our big night stint.
And in the meantime, we're going to Glamis.
Yeah. In the meantime, Glamis.
Camp Razor, but this Razor. Pizza party's over, Gil. It's Gil's birthday. Pizza party's over.